Welcome to July 25th. This is the pop star, Poppy, Rupert, and Molly. I don't even know if you can see her. She's way up there. Oh, what do you guys think? We're just having fun. I don't know why you guys are so into me. We want to see a bear. Don't we want to see a bear? Poppy knows the word. Hey bear, you see the bear? Go find the bear. Oh, let's go find him. I think that was a fluke. I think they were going to do that anyway. Oh man. A little monkey biting my neck. These guys just keep looking up on the bank here. I don't know if we might have come in and I don't want to use the word scared a bear, but we might have moved him along. Now, 2 days ago, oh, are you kidding me? Another one. 2 days ago I said this was cool. So this is where we are. We're just going the other way today. And some people might say, why is that cool? It's like, well, take a moment, man. Take a look at it. Not everything has to be a blur, you know. Take a moment to look at your surroundings. Look at me being all like, whatever. What was it yesterday? I was laughing when I was uploading the video about talking about the weather. Because the weather's another one of those things. It just is what it is, man. It's not like you can change anything about it. So let's take a look at what these guys are. What are you guys doing, man? Sounds like there's little baby birds in here. Come on, leave it. Molly, leave it. No. Get out of there. It's a baby chick. Oh, it is a little baby chick. I hope that shows up on the video. Come on, let's go the other way. Let's leave the babies. Rupert, come. Come on, pop up. That's why the mama's making. Can you hear her? Or the parents. Molly, come. Come on. It's a baby. They're learning to fly. Let's go. Let's get the hay out of here. Poppy, come. I'm glad they didn't pick him up. Come on, let's go. Go, 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 go. Pop, 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 pop. Molly. Crying out loud. Crying out loud. All right. Sorry, guys. Listen. Yeah. He'll be all right. Come on, let's go. I should have recognized that little panicky bird mama sound. All right. Come on, guys. Let's go. Get him. That's it. All right. Let's end on that.